Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Revl Heights, and we're about to see their model apartment. I can't wait to show it off to you. By the way, this is the hallways, really crisp, just clean hallways. It's kind of a lighter walls and really pretty light vinyl flooring. And now let's go in. This is a one bedroom with a study. So can't wait to show this off to you. Super pretty. So we walk in, wow, it's really big. So first of all, here's the study area. This is pretty awesome. Look at all this space in here. It's open, but it really does almost close off. It's a fun area. This would be, you could study it in here, but you could also have a guest here if needed. There is a washer dryer area, full room here, so that's pretty cool. And then we walk in and we see the kitchen. The kitchen's beautiful. I mean, look at this gorgeous kitchen. It's really nice. It's got this attractive island that's here, so you can put some chairs under there and have some seating. And then look at the kitchen itself, super pretty. It's got a lot of cabinets. It's got these glass cabinets that are here. It's got quartz countertops that are here. It's really, really pretty. It's got all the appliances you need. Pretty fridge. It's got the microwave, of course, the stove, the dishwasher. So you're all set there. Got a nice wall here. You can do just like they have, put pictures up. And then you've got this living room area. This living room area is fun. It feels great. I love this flooring too, by the way. The flooring is awesome. It's just kind of this light vinyl, luxury vinyl flooring. It looks great. There's a balcony out there. Let's take a quick look at that, see what's out there. So you got this balcony, and let's see if we can open that up. Okay, so it's here, and this is the street. This is the street that's right over there. There's downtown Houston views, and this is a street that leads to Revl Heights. This is what the balcony looks like. So pretty cool. This is this really pretty area. We captured it in another video. So we've got that. Then we've got just a really, really pretty apartment. It looks great. It feels adorable. Hey, if you got any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to set up a tour anytime, let's do a virtual tour. I'll make that happen for you for free from your phone. You don't need to come in person. I'll do a virtual tour. Just send me a text and ask and just say, hey, Grant, love a virtual. Hey, now I'm going to go check out the bedroom and bath. We'll do that on the next video. Let's do that right now. Just let the next video roll.